Lodash is a JavaScript library that provides utility functions for working with arrays, objects, strings, and other data types. It is a popular library used in many projects and can be particularly helpful when working with large datasets or complex data structures. Lodash can simplify development and improve performance in several ways. Some of the key features of Lodash include: provides utility functions for common programming tasks. Lodash provides a wide range of utility functions that can help you write cleaner and more concise code. These functions can simplify tasks like iterating over arrays, manipulating strings, and working with objects, which can save time and reduce errors. Optimizes performance with built-in optimizations. Lodash is designed to be fast and efficient. It provides built-in optimizations like memoization, lazy evaluation, and reduced memory usage, which can improve the performance of your application. Reduces the need to write custom code, can be used with other libraries and frameworks, improves code readability and maintainability. Collection functions. Lodash provides many functions for working with arrays and objects, such as map, filter, reduce, and group by. Utility functions. Lodash provides many utility functions for working with strings, numbers, and other data types, such as debounce, throttle, and clamp. Chaining. Lodash provides a method chaining syntax that allows multiple operations to be performed on a dataset in a single statement. Custom builds. Lodash allows developers to create custom builds that only include the functions they need. Custom builds. Lodash allows developers to create custom builds that only include the functions they need, which can help reduce the size of the library and improve performance. However, it is worth noting that some of the features of Lodash can also be achieved using modern JavaScript syntax and built-in methods, so it is important to consider the trade-offs when deciding whether to use Lodash in a project. How to use Lodash in your project? A good question. Installation. Lodash can be installed in your project using npm or yarn. npm install Lodash or yarn add Lodash. Importing. Once installed, you can import Lodash into your React component as follows. Import _, from Lodash. Usage. Lodash provides a wide range of utility functions. Here are some examples. _map. This function maps over an array and returns a new array with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the array. It can be used in a React component to render a list of items. Debounce. This function creates a debounced function that delays invoking a provided function until after wait milliseconds have elapsed since the last time the debounced function was invoked. orderBy. This function sorts an array of objects by one or more properties. It can be used in a React component to sort a list of items. These are just a few examples of what Lodash can do. It provides many more utility functions that can help you write cleaner and more efficient code in your React projects. We will leave you the reference links in description. Like, share, subscribe and ring the bell for more awesome bites.